Hi, in this tutorial, we'll be exploring the exciting world of custom GPTs and how to create them using ChatGPT. Custom GPTs are tailored AI assistants designed to perform specific tasks or answer questions within a particular domain. So, by leveraging ChatGPT's powerful language capabilities, you can create your own personalized AI assistant. Whether you want to learn a new skill, you want to acquire a knowledge, you can use the custom GPT to do that. To be able to create your own custom GPT, you need a ChatGPT Plus account. So, you need a paid account to be able to create your own ChatGPT. And you also need to understand basic prompt engineering. So, have a basic understanding of prompt engineering. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, we'll be creating our custom GPT in about 3 to 4 steps. So, the first step is to, of course, log into your ChatGPT account. So, if you have a ChatGPT account, this is my own account. You can use your email to log into or to create an account if you don't have one. When you log into your ChatGPT account, you go to Explore GPTs. Click on Explore GPTs. Let me collapse this. So these are GPTs here that have been created by others. Now you can create yours here by going to this Create button. Just click on it to create yours. But before we do that, let me show you what my own looks like. I've created two custom GPTs. This one is a Python pal, which is a study assistant that helps you to learn Python. So if you want to learn Python, you can create yours as well to create a custom GPT. So once you click on that create button, it will bring up this interface, right? Now here we have a chat from ChatGPT that says, I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, so it's giving you an instance of what you can say, whatever it is that you want to create. So I already have what I want to create. So I'm just going to ask it to create a marketing expert that can generate creative content, analyze market trend, and provide a strategic advice. So let me copy this and go back here and paste it. So a marketing expert that can generate creative content. That's what I want to create. And once I'm done, I'll click on enter and it will give me a response. So what should we call this marketing expert? How about marketing Marvin? Let me know if you'd like something else. So I'll just say it's fine. I love the name, so it's fine. So it's creating a picture that matches. So once it creates a picture, you'll see it show up in this preview. So here it is, Marketing Marvin, and then it has a profile picture for me. This profile picture, I can decide to change it if I want by going to this configure. Once you go to configure, you can configure the setting. You can change the pictures here. All right, so here is a profile picture I've created for Marketing Marvin. What do you think? Would you like me to make any adjustment? I'll just say it's fine. It's fine. So it will ask me something else. All right. Awesome. Let's fine tune this expert's approach a bit. What kind of focus or emphasis should Marketing Marvin have? Anything to avoid? So let me go back to my document and see. I'll just pick this one, provide concise and actionable advice, and then use data and insight to support your recommendations. So I'll just pick this two and go back, drop it there, remove the quotes, then enter. And then we wait for the response. So got it. Marketing Marvin will now deliver concise, actionable advice backed by data and insights. Would you like to refine anything else like tone, creativity level? I'll just say nothing for now. Nothing for now. And then I'll go ahead and ask it if it has anything it would like to refine. Or is there something you would like to refine? And then it will reply me. The setup feels pretty solid. Marketing Marvin is clear, professional, and data driven while staying approachable. The only thing to consider down the line might be tweaking the tone, like making it more playful or strictly formal, depending on your audience. Otherwise, it's ready to go. Want to try it? So before I try it, let me go to configure. Let me go to configure and show you what is in it. So here you have the name. So if you want to change the name, let's say I decide to change this marketing Marvin to marketing guide or marketing assistant, I can just come here and do that. Assistant. Then I can give it a description, a creative and strategic marketing expert. I can come back here and copy my description here and then change it from here. Then it's also provided instructions for me. These instructions, I can decide to change it or leave it at this default. These instructions were provided by ChatGPT. So I'll just leave it at that. You are a marketing expert skilled at generating creative content, analyzing market trends. So not a bad instruction. So I'll leave it at that. Now we have conversation starters. It also generated conversation starters and they appeared here. If you look at the preview, you can see them here. Now I can remove any of these and then add my own conversation starter, but there's nothing wrong with these ones, so I can leave it at that. So if I want to add my own, it's just to click on this box here and then bring in one of these conversation starters that I have in my document. I just bring it in here and paste. So you'll find it here now in the preview. When we go to the preview, you'll see it there. So I can also delete, like I mentioned, X out any of these conversation starters if I don't want. I can remove this one and then leave it at this. Now, if I have documents or data or other information outside this, I can upload my files as PDF right inside here so that this custom GPT can also access those files, right, to provide data-driven information. But currently, I don't have any supporting files, so I'll just leave it blank. So if you upload files under knowledge conversation with your GPT, may include file contents. Files can be downloaded when code interpreter is enabled. So once it's telling you what can be done if I enable this code interpreter or data analysis. Whatever file that I upload here can be downloaded by whoever that is using this. That's what that is. So I don't have any files, so I'm just leave it at that, and I'll also leave these capabilities unchecked. I mean, as it is checked by default. So what this means is that my custom GPT can search the web. It can also access the canvas and then create images as well. So with all of this done, this is more advanced. This actions is more advanced, so I'm not going to talk about them now. I just want to show you the basic way you can create your own GPT. So once you're done creating your own GPT, you can go back and then click on create. Click on this create button, and then it will bring up this whether I want to be the only one viewing it. I want to share. Once I share it, what this one is if I share my link with anyone, the person can access my GPT. So I'll just leave it at this one so that anyone, whoever I share this link with, can be able to access my GPT. Now, if I want to publish this one so that it will appear in the GPT store, I can also click on this one and then fill in all the requirements. But I'll just leave it at anyone with the link and then click on save. And that's it. And my GPT is created. So it's a very simple and straightforward process. So if I share this link with anyone, the person can view it. Let's view our GPT. So here we have it. I mistakenly clicked on one of the conversation starters. Let me go back. So here is my custom GPT for marketing assistant. So you see the process is very simple and straightforward. So go ahead and create your own marketing assistant. You want to have any task executed, you want to learn any skill, you want to, acquire any knowledge, and you want to have your own custom ChatGPT. With this process, you should be able to create yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. Bye.